Okay, today we are going to look at algebraic terms, at the end of which you should be able to identify the different types of algebraic terms, define coefficients, separate like and unlike terms. Just like we have rightly pointed out before, a known value is a number or integer. In algebra, it can be regarded as a constant. -2, 3, 7 are all constants. Even a fraction, say half, can be a constant. An unknown value, on the other hand, is a variable. X, Y, Z are all variables. What about a combination of a constant and a variable? Say 2x, 5y, and then exponent x squared, y cubed. Now collectively, these are called algebraic expressions. That is, if we have two or more of these joined together, we call it an algebraic expression. Individually, however, each one is called a term. Consider this one. 7x minus 2 equals to 3 is an equation. 7x minus 2 is an expression. 2 is a term. Minus 2 is a term. 7x is a term. Next, we look at coefficients. If a term is made up of a constant and a variable joined together by a multiplication operation, 4x for example, then x still remains the variable, but 4 here is the coefficient of x. We call it the coefficient of x. In other words, if a constant and a variable are combined by the multiplication operation, then the constant is the coefficient of the variable. Let's look at more examples. Minus 7x. X is the variable. Minus 7 is the coefficient of x. 3y. Y is the variable. 3 is the coefficient of y. 4z. Z is the variable. 4 is the coefficient. 2 over 3x. 2 over 3 is the coefficient of x. X. There is nothing here. There is no constant preceding the variable x. In this case, the coefficient is 1. Minus x. The coefficient of x is -1. Anytime you see a variable with no constant preceding it, we take the coefficient as 1. So next we are gonna look at like and unlike terms. We already know that algebraic terms can be of different categories. We have constants, 2, 3, 7, variables, x, y, z, constant variable combination, that is a coefficient and a variable, and then exponents, variable raised to the power of a number. Okay, now to get the like terms and unlike terms, we need to follow the following order or rules. For example, all constants are like terms. -2 and 3 are like terms. Why? Because they are all constants. But not all variables are like terms. X and x are like terms, but x and y cannot be like terms. 4x and -3 are unlike terms because the variables are not similar. X squared and 5x squared are like terms because all the variables are raised to the power of 2. But x squared and 5x cubed are not like terms. Though they have the same variable, which is x, they differ in their exponential values, which is square and cube.